Introducing the S880 PRO MAX, a fully loaded, professional-grade GPS drone engineered for creators, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand both performance and precision. This is not your average drone. The S880 PRO MAX is equipped with an 8K Ultra HD camera, mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that delivers stunningly smooth, crystal-clear footage. No matter the conditions, whether you're soaring above a coastline or hovering over a fishing spot, this drone captures every detail with cinematic clarity. But the S880 PRO MAX doesn't just record beautiful video, it's built to work smart. With GPS-assisted intelligent flight, you get automatic return to home, precise hover, follow-me mode, waypoint navigation, and orbit mode, giving you effortless control and professional results with every flight. What makes this drone truly unique? Its integrated controller with a built-in touchscreen display. No phone needed, just power up and fly. The real-time 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission delivers low-latency, high-resolution video directly to your controller's screen, giving you immediate feedback on your shot framing, location, and flight path. For anglers and outdoor enthusiasts, the S880 PRO MAX also supports a fishing airdrop system, allowing you to drop bait or small payloads remotely with incredible precision. It's the perfect tool for drone fishing, coastal bait drops, or remote deliveries. Equipped with high-efficiency brushless motors, this drone offers powerful lift, quiet flight, and extended durability, even under demanding conditions. Its foldable, portable design makes it easy to take with you on any adventure, and the obstacle avoidance sensors ensure safer flights in complex environments. The high-capacity battery delivers extended flight time, so you can stay airborne longer, whether you're filming epic cinematic shots or scanning the water for the perfect drop. Key features recap: 8K UHD camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 5G Wi-Fi FPV with built-in screen controller, no phone needed. GPS intelligent flight modes, return to home, follow me, orbit, waypoints. Fishing airdrop feature, precise bait or payload dropping. Obstacle avoidance sensors for safe, confident flying. Brushless motors, powerful, efficient, and quiet. Foldable design, compact and travel ready. Long flight time with high-capacity smart battery. Perfect for fishing, bait dropping, and outdoor utility. Aerial cinematography and photography. YouTube content creation and vlogging. Coastal exploration and remote access. Professional and hobby drone pilots. Clapperboard film. Fish, fly, like a pro. With the S880 PRO MAX, your sky is no longer the limit.